first turn off the hill. Sorry, there's what's I'm trying to stay straight up in there. And if it wasn't covered in kudzu over here, you could see. Used to be a pool off here, you could look. But it's all grown up. You see some of it. It is still hazy down there. Me and my wife would say that rock is the only thing holding the whole thing up. It could be. This guy doesn't speak on the back.
Could be me.
Oscar, you doing okay? Oscar, you going to and pause? Chicken farm. Here's the outhouses going with the singings. I got locked in there once by my best friend, if that was funny. Pretty fun. Tree to go. We've been waiting for it.
Behind me now.
Up the hill we go again. Yeah, got some debris from the storm last night. But their whole yard's kind of whipped. Oh, they got a big tree down.
One on the house.
Right on the house. Wow, they got lucky. They didn't go through. There's gonna be careful. There may be some that they've left because they seem to take the big ones off the first day and then kind of deal with them the next few days. Guess it blowed harder down here than I thought. Oh, it took part of that tree off. I guess it took part of that tree off too. Gotta make copyright list on
Bunch
the
down
camera.
woods, back to woods out there.
Goodness. Is it gone today? decent storm last night, but I didn't think it was that bad. No, it just takes them a few days to get it all cleaned out. Dodging debris. Had a pretty decent windstorm through here. It got bad at the house, but didn't get.
They
It didn't blow like this, yeah. I mean, it rained hard, but it didn't blow hard. There's trees up against the fence. They cut out of the road. Oh goodness. Watch the lens. Good grief. Maybe the snow load won't be so bad this year now. Maybe it's got all the dead crap out.
Green stuff.
Well, I know, but the weak stuff.